+2 speed though. So if you're cracked, you can make.
Yo, what's this? It says space travel. 75% growth speed. Small chance for to turn galactic. Yo. Look at the sky, guys. It's like galaxy. Let's climb this person's office. No. Wonder if we can stand on that rocks. Necessary that will be revealed. What's this? You are a turbo. Yo, I can. It goes away. So guys, only 9 minutes left for the update. So guys, they changed the shock mutation spray. Instead of like honey, they changed it to 1 million shekels. Where it goes again. Let's climb on the top of the rock. Bro, I'm not close enough, bro. Let's go into this, like, the turbo thingy. Yeah, what's in here? What is it gonna be? Yo! Oh, it charges one, then it disappears. It charges, then it disappears. The galaxy event. Let's harvest some bamboos to feed our pets. Okay. Like, how many pets we have? We have 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's feed our pet bamboos. Guys, comment down below guys if you want to trade this 46 age blood out. Skip this. Feed this out. Feed this one. Okay, they all 100% hunger. Stop. Only 4 minutes guys. The update is this gonna disappear guys. Like, I still have 23 minutes left to claim the mutation spray. Like the shock one. Yo, in Berlin, in Benstock. Let's go. Knockout 2. Let's go! Oh, and pepper! Let's go! Mushroom. Yo! What an office stock! And mango. Let's go! Dragon fruit. We've done too. Oh, minute left sa harvest. No way. I-hit the value. No. Every like record. They keep increasing, guys, the number of active players. Like 11 mil to 16 mil to 20 mil. It's crazy. Only 50 seconds left and the update comes. Is there gonna be a cutscene? Let's see. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This one, summer harvest is begun. Yo, animation. Yo, what's this? Like summer, some meteor fruit in the summers. Words, 100 Shekels, Nectarine, and Berlin. Smith plant. Like any plant, like what this? That's not a summer plant. Oh, it needs a summer mutation. Okay, guys, here's the animation, guys. See, you got some guys going back out. What's my stars for everyone? Words in the rewards. No, lightning rod, chocolate spray. What's this? Season. So, yo, you can get a Moncat here. Like, it's random, guys. Crafting tables. Emerald. Okay. Tables still here, guys. The new top one, guys. If you have Robux, I'm a free-to-play player though. See this. Yo, this guy's face changes, and there's a new seed, guys. Fuja seed, Loquat seed, Freaky Bird seed, bell pepper seed, kiwi seed, let's buy every new seed, cauliflower seed. Okay, that's it guys. Yo, OP stock. Yo, to Ember Lilies. Let's go, beanstalk, cacao, pepper, mushrooms, grapeseed, mango, dragon fruit, cactus, coconut, and bamboo. Yo, that's an OP stock. W.
So, he's stopping it.
So let's see the new seed guys. So we have cauliflower seed. Oh, that's already there. Green apple seed, avocado seed, banana seed. Like the last time the Blood Moon event was like blood banana. And pineapple is obtainable in the seed shop guys. Like you can only get this from rolling the gear shop quest. Kiwi seed, bell pepper seed, na prickly pear seed, the pot seed, goji seed. That's it guys. So the whole information to the spreadsheet. So that's it for this update guys. Comment down below guys if you like this update. Yeah, bye. And don't forget to like and subscribe. See ya.